What cryptocurrencies to look out for in 2025? The world of cryptocurrency continues to evolve rapidly, and as we move deeper into 2025, the market is shaping up with innovation, regulation, and utility-driven growth. While Bitcoin and Ethereum remain the titans of the industry, numerous new and established projects are gearing up for explosive potential this year. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Bitcoin. Bitcoin remains the face of cryptocurrency in 2025. Following the 2024 halving, Bitcoin's scarcity effect has driven renewed investor interest. Despite the entry of thousands of altcoins, Bitcoin's dominance continues to hold firm as the world's first and most recognized digital currency. Its appeal lies in its decentralization, limited supply of 21 million coins, and its recognition as a digital gold. Institutional investors, hedge funds, and even governments are now treating Bitcoin as a legitimate hedge against inflation. Moreover, with the increasing integration of Bitcoin ETFs and adoption by traditional finance, BTC's liquidity and credibility are stronger than ever. Bitcoin's legacy, combined with its new wave of institutional support, positions it as a core digital asset for 2025. As governments and banks explore digital currencies, Bitcoin's decentralized nature makes it the go-to store of value, ensuring it stays at the center of global crypto discussions. Ethereum. Ethereum continues to dominate the decentralized application (dApp) ecosystem in 2025. Its transition to Ethereum 2.0 has enhanced scalability, efficiency, and reduced energy consumption significantly. As the foundation for DeFi, NFTs, and the metaverse, Ethereum's versatility is unmatched. Developers continue to build innovative applications on its blockchain, making it a core asset for anyone serious about crypto. With roll-ups, Layer 2 networks, and upcoming upgrades like danksharding, Ethereum's performance and accessibility are better than ever. Ethereum's ecosystem has matured beyond just token creation. It now powers complex decentralized systems and real-world financial applications. Its consistent innovation and massive developer base make it a must-watch in 2025, especially as DeFi and AI projects grow on its platform. Solana. Solana has risen as one of the fastest and most scalable blockchain networks. Known for its lightning-fast transaction speeds and low fees, Solana's technology caters to high-demand applications like gaming, NFTs, and Web3. After facing network challenges in previous years, Solana has significantly improved its stability and security. Its thriving ecosystem now supports thousands of decentralized projects and partnerships with major corporations. Investors are paying attention again as Solana's performance metrics outpace many competitors. Cardano. Solana's focus on performance and scalability makes it a major contender for 2025. With its strong developer community and major institutional interest, Solana could challenge Ethereum's dominance in dApps and Web3 applications. It's the blockchain of choice for fast, low-cost innovation. Cardano has steadily grown with its research-based approach to blockchain development. Founded by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson, Cardano aims to combine academic rigor with real-world utility. Its focus on sustainability, interoperability, and transparency gives it an edge among environmentally conscious investors. In 2025, the Hydra scaling solution and increased adoption of smart contracts are expanding Cardano's use cases across finance, identity management, and education. Cardano's balance between innovation and sustainability makes it a solid long-term bet. Its scientifically grounded development approach and active community ensure stability, while its growing DeFi ecosystem could make ADA a top-performing crypto in 2025. XRP. After a long legal battle with the SEC, Ripple's victory has renewed confidence in XRP. Its primary use case, facilitating cross-border payments for banks and financial institutions, makes it one of the most practical cryptocurrencies in circulation. RippleNet's network continues to expand globally, with new banking partnerships emerging in Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. With a focus on speed, low costs, and regulatory compliance, XRP is poised for resurgence in 2025. XRP's strength lies in its real-world utility and compliance-friendly design. Its legal clarity has restored investor faith, and as more banks adopt RippleNet, XRP's role as a global liquidity bridge could make it one of the top gainers of 2025. Chainlink. Chainlink is the leading decentralized Oracle network that connects smart contracts to real-world data. It plays an essential role in DeFi, insurance, gaming, and AI-integrated blockchain applications. As more industries adopt blockchain for automation and transparency, Chainlink's Oracle solutions are in higher demand. The introduction of Chainlink's Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, CCIP, in 2024 has opened new possibilities for multi-chain data connectivity. Chainlink acts as the data layer of blockchain, ensuring reliable and secure connections between real-world information and smart contracts. Its expanding partnerships and technological advancements make Link a foundational asset in the 2025 crypto ecosystem. Polkadot. Polkadot aims to solve one of blockchain's biggest challenges, interoperability. Its parachain system enables multiple blockchains to communicate seamlessly. In 2025, Polkadot's ecosystem is flourishing with new DeFi, NFT, and AI-powered chains. Create scalable, interconnected applications that redefine blockchain efficiency. With continued innovation and active governance, Polkadot's cross-chain architecture allows developers to Polkadot's unique architecture and scalability potential make it a key player in 2025. By connecting isolated blockchains, it enables collaboration and efficiency across ecosystems, an essential feature for the future of decentralized systems. Avalanche. Avalanche is making waves as one of the fastest smart contract platforms, capable of handling thousands of transactions per second with minimal fees. Its subnet technology allows organizations to launch custom blockchains tailored to specific needs. In 2025, Avalanche is gaining momentum in enterprise adoption, gaming, and DeFi applications. Its commitment to speed, efficiency, and interoperability keeps it among the top crypto contenders. Polygon. Polygon continues to lead as Ethereum's most trusted Layer 2 scaling solution. In 2025, Polygon is powering thousands of dApps, NFT platforms, and DeFi projects. Its mission to make blockchain faster and more affordable has made it a critical component of Ethereum's success. Arbitrum. Arbitrum has quickly emerged as one of the strongest Ethereum Layer 2 networks, providing faster and cheaper transactions while maintaining Ethereum's security. In 2025, it's gaining traction with DeFi developers and NFT platforms due to its superior performance. The Arbitrum ecosystem is expanding with new governance mechanisms and integrations, helping ETH users enjoy better scalability without leaving Ethereum's main network. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.